feel fantastic, yeah.
Today, Michael is in a much better place. But not long ago, things were very different.
I've lived out here by myself. The county, found out about what happened and came to my door.
Michael was struggling with serious health issues, long-term alcohol use, and years of social isolation. He needed more support than other programs could provide, until he connected with Santa Cruz County's long-term case management team.
David knocked on my door and said, I want to be your social worker. And then I met Mona, and she became my nurse.
With support, Michael gradually gained control of his health, learned to manage his medical conditions, and stopped drinking. The team supported him every step of the way, from home safety to medical care, and even helping him tidy his apartment when he was ready.
I was listening to the advice of Mona, my nurse, my doctor, but I had to do it myself. You can only heal yourself. You can't tell somebody what to do. They have to decide to accept, especially being on Medicare and the county supporting me. I'm financially more stable today than ever. They've been instrumental, in my healing process, and I'll always remember.
Michael's story shows how consistent support and care can transform a life. Santa Cruz County's adult and long-term case management team helps people stay healthy, safe, and connected, one step at a time.
It's not just a good program, it's an excellent program. And the people working for the county deserve a lot of kudos for their experience and their hard work. If they're scared, I would say have someone like me or family member or friend to help them, to guide them through the process, because people have their own issues, and it's like the Beatles song, a little help from my friends, Wake up each morning and say, hey, this is going to be a great day. The Buddha says, live in the moment, and so that's what I try to do. It's like, I don't allow the negativity of the world. It's an evil, cruel world, and I try not to allow that to affect me.
Santa Cruz County Adult and Long-Term Case Management is here to help. You don't have to face it alone.
David is my brother, and I'll always remember how he helped me.